Momentum trading in Forex is one of the most powerful ways to capitalize on strong price movements and catch trends early before they run out of steam. Unlike range trading, where price moves sideways, momentum trading focuses on identifying when the market is ready to escalate in one direction with volume and spread. This strategy works best in volatile market conditions and is perfect for traders looking for quick and decisive entries. The key to success Forex momentum strategy is spotting the right setup, which actually involves combining technical indicators that confirm strength and momentum. One popular way is to use the relative strength index or RSI alongside moving average. When RSI breaks above 50 and price cross above a key moving average like 20 or 50 period, it signals increasing buy momentum. On the flip side, RSI dropping below 50 with price moving under the moving average signal bearish momentum. This confirmation helps filter out weak moves and fall breakouts. Once you identify momentum building, timing your entry in critical. A great entry point is when price pulls back slightly to the moving average or a support level before continuing the move. This pullback gives you a safer entry with less risk. You place your stop loss just below the recent swing low for long trades or above the swing high for shorts because momentum trades can move fast. It's essential to trail your stop loss as the trade move in your favor or to lock in profit and avoid getting whipped off by sudden reversals. Another important factor is trading during high liquidity sessions like London and New York. That's when momentum trends to be strongest and price moves and more reliable. Avoid trading during quiet period or major news release that can cause unpredictable spikes. Remember, momentum trading thrives on steady, strong moves, not erratic volatility. The beauty of momentum trading is that it's adaptable to different time frames, whether you prefer day trading on 15-minute charts or swing trading on 4-hour chart. The principles stay the same. Focus on identifying genuine momentum and entering with good risk management. This method is not about guessing the market but following what the price action and volume tell you. Many traders struggle with momentum because they jump in too early or hold too long. The secret is discipline and patience. Wait for clear signs. Use tight stops and to be ready to exit when momentum fades. Over time, momentum trading can become one of the most consistent strategies, helping you capture strong trends without overexposure. If you're serious about mastering forex momentum trading, practice this energy on demo account first. Watch how momentum builds and fades. Learn to read the indicators in real time and develop the right mindset. When you feel confident, apply in live markets. With proper money arrangement, momentum trading is not just about making profit, it's about trading smarter by riding the waves